So today I have a video doing a New Year's Eve look. I was kind of stumped this year on what I wanted to do for like a New Year's Eve look, but Nikkie Tutorials posted a video and a picture today that inspired me so much, and she was inspired by a couple of other makeup artists to do this look. So she did like more of a silver purpley version, so I wanted to like mix it up. I wanted to do a warm toned look. So this is what I came up with. It was just a really pretty glittery look. She had a cut crease halo eye, and it like the glitter went up pretty high. So that is what I tried to do and what I tried to recreate today. I used some new things that I got for Christmas that I was super excited to start using. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
So I'm going to start out by prepping my eyes with the Benefit Air Patrol. I always forget that I have this and to use it. I'm going to blend it out with this little kabuki brush, but every time I use this, my eyeshadow looks really good, so I just need to remember to use it more. Now I'm just grabbing the Patrick Star MAC powder and my Morphe M438 brush, and I'm going to set that into place. Now I want to create a nice sharp wing, so I'm going to use some medical tape, and make sure you take your time when placing this on because your placement is everything. Now I'm grabbing my Viseart palette, the neutral one, and grabbing my M524. I'm going to take that white shade and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Now taking the ever so gorgeous Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, I'm going to grab the color Universal, and I'm going to take my R37 brush from Morphe, and I am going to use this as my transition shade and just work that into my crease. Now I'm grabbing the color Contour and my M433 brush. It's just that like pinched, dense blending brush. I'm going to use that to deepen up this crease shade. And then here's where I'm going to also start creating that halo eye, and I'm just going to pop that onto the inner corner of my eye. Now grabbing my M504 brush, it's a big giant blending brush. I'm taking the color Ablaze, gonna pop that just on top there and create more warmth. Now I'm going to grab the color Brave and my E18 brush. This is just a pencil brush, and I'm going to use this to start creating that dark outer V, and I will also take it a little bit on the inner corner as well, just so that it matches to make the perfect halo eye. And as always, make sure you go back and forth with the brush that you're using and the brush used in the step before, and just buff everything out to make sure that it is perfectly blending. Blending is huge. Now taking Wiz, it's so funny saying that word. I still can't take it seriously. I'm taking that E18 brush again, and I am just going to deepen up that outer V only. Now grabbing my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Vanilla and my M421 brush, I'm just going to start laying down some concealer for this halo eye so that it really pops. So I'm taking my time with this step, and when I looked at Nikkie Tutorials' picture, she took it up super high, a lot higher than what I normally do, and then at the top it kind of is a lot wider, and then it comes down kind of like a little triangle. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just building up that shape and just trying to recreate that look. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Now grabbing my M124 brush, I'm just going to pick up the color Pure, and I'm going to start stamping this on top of that concealer. In the end, I feel like this didn't really make a huge difference, but I just wanted to like make sure that this was nice and bright and gold. So that is why I still did it. And now I'm just grabbing that E18 with that same dark brown shade that I used earlier, and I'm just going to start blending the edges of this so that it looks blended. The last thing I wanted was for this to have like a super harsh line. So again, blending, blend. Now grabbing my Stila Magnificent Metals. This is in the color Smoldering Satin. I also mixed in a little bit of Kitten Karma, and I'm just going to put this on top of it so that it is nice and beautiful and shimmery. I think this, you guys, is my number one top favorite product of 2017. Hands down. Everybody's obsessed with it. I've been obsessed with it. I remember I got it right before New Year's last year. Right before Christmas. And yeah, I can't stop using it. So we're just going to pull this tape off and voila, perfect wing. And then we're just going to clean up the fallout with these Kirkland makeup removing wipes. Now I'm grabbing my mascara. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Again, another top favorite product of 2017. And then I'm taking these DODO 105 lashes. D105 lashes, and then my Huda Beauty lash glue, just because I wanted something a little more dramatic. So now I'm going to prime my face using my Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer and taking the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm just going to work this in with my damp Morphe sponge. And you can see the coverage on this foundation. Holy crap, you guys. Holy crap. And now taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, I am just going to start blending that in the typical areas under my eyes, on my forehead, down, or like the center of my forehead, down the center of my nose, around my nose, and then on my chin. This concealer is a lot darker than what I'm used to, but it all works. Sometimes you don't always want a super bright under eye. Look behind your back. And then I'm just going to set that into place using the Patrick Star MAC powder and my M438 brush. And I'm just going to start tapping that in. I'm tapping it over the concealer. I'm not swiping. I don't want to move anything, so that's why I tap. And now I'm grabbing my NARS Narcissus palette, and I'm taking the color Laguna for my bronzer, and then I'm going to use my Morphe R2 brush, and I'm just going to pop this on the high points of my cheeks and then take it around my forehead as well. Now going into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and taking the two light contour shades and my M523 brush, and I'm just going to put this onto the typical contour areas. Now taking my M572 brush and the lightest shade from the palette, this is my favorite brush for nose contouring. If you're struggling with nose contouring, try this brush. It makes it so easy and it gives you such a straight line. It's perfect. Now I'm grabbing the two blush shades from this Narcissus palette and my M530 brush. I'm just going to mix them and use this for my blush. Now to finish up my lower lash line, I am taking Contour and Heat and my R41 brush. It's just another pencil brush, and I'm just going to buff this onto my lower lash line. Now grabbing my M432 liner brush and then this dark brown color called Brunette, I'm going to take this on the outer half of my lower lash line just to define it a little more. Now I'm using my Drug Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray and setting my face into place. Now I'm grabbing this new highlighter from Too Faced. Oh my gosh, you guys, this packaging, it's so cute. It even comes in another cute box too. It's officially called the Too Faced Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. Apparently it actually has diamonds in it. Anyways, I'm just using my M501 brush to apply this, and I did it after the setting spray, so it just really popped, and oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. I am obsessed with this. Now I'm going to take my brand new, finally, MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. This is the best mascara for your lower lash line, hands down. Now I'm just going to line my lips using this Morphe lip liner in the color Huva. I love this color. It's so pretty and just like that classic pinky maroony color. And now I'm just going to take my Gerard Cosmetic Hydra Matte, I think is what it's actually called, and this is in the color 90210, which, if you don't know, is the Beverly Hills zip code. Very cool. And now this look is all complete.
Alright you guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like how it turned out. I was a little skeptical while I was doing this look. I was like, I do not know if I'm going to like this or if I'm going to post this, but I actually really like it. If I did anything different, I mean, I had to try this out. I had to. I haven't played with it yet and I just got it. I had to try it out, but if I changed out anything, I would probably make this more of a golden highlight, just so it matches with this look more, but I mean, it's still pretty. I'm still gonna rock it, so yeah. But I really think it's really pretty and nice, and I wanted to do something different than your typical silver glitter for New Year's Eve. So if you like this video, give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And dive into the sky. Hear the